सो दिस इज़ द ट्विटर अकाउंट ऑफ सीबा डॉज। ये सीबा डॉज का ट्विटर अकाउंट है। और अगर मैं ट्वीट्स एंड रिप्लाइज की बात करूँ, इफ़ आई टॉक अबाउट द ट्वीट्स एंड रिप्लाइज ऑफ सीबा डॉज, सो हियर यू कैन सी सीबा डॉज हैज़ retweeted something 14 hours ago. Okay, you can check here. And one more thing, that Siba Dodge has posted something 15 hours ago. Siba Dodge goal is to kill the negativity and tribal culture within the crypto with love. So they have one main goal, to kill the negativity and tribal culture within crypto with love. We respect all projects and wish to unite all communities. So what Siba Dodge is saying, that they respect all projects and wish to unite all communities. Join our growing family and together we can change the space. 5% marketing, 5% liquidity, 5% reflection on Uniswap. So this is the tweet related to Siba Dodge. Let's check that any other tweet or not. One more tweet. There's no wonder we grow 12,400 Twitter followers in only 3 days. So they are telling that in only 3 days 12,400 Twitter followers have been increased in the Twitter account. We was up by over 400% on DEX to last week. Have a bullish community and 2 NFT project on OpenSea. They have 2 NFT project also on OpenSea. Burnt over half of our circulating supply. Have a sub token burn that too burns 2% of Siba Dodge. One more thing. 2 lakh community members. We are grateful to have such a welcoming, supportive and hard-working community. So how much holders they have? Currently they have 25,258 holders. Token burnt 55%. And if I talk about the watch list of CoinMarketCap, this is CMC, which is CoinMarketCap, and it is over 33,000. Means 33,000 people has kept Siba Dodge in a watch list in CoinMarketCap. 5% reflection. Join the family. If you want, you can join their Telegram account also. Okay, this is their Telegram link channel, okay, which you can get. Okay, so this is their Telegram channel. Let me show you again their Telegram channel. Okay, telegram.me/Siba Dodge. You can join. If you want, you can join this Telegram channel also. Any other tweet regarding Siba Dodge? Let us check. Okay, 2 days ago they posted one thing more, that Siba Dodge love to give back. We have given away to the communities over $250,000 in verified and confirmed donations so far. If you want to join our amazing family, you can join here. Missed Siba and Dodge, don't miss Siba Dodge. This is their favorite tagline, missed Siba and Dodge, don't miss Siba Dodge. Okay, now we will go in CoinMarketCap and we will check the current. Now we will go in CoinMarketCap and we will check the current price chart of Siba Dodge. So we are in CoinMarketCap and currently the price of Siba Dodge is down with 8.45% and trading volume is also down with 4.61%. So you have the opportunity to buy this crypto in deep. And if I talk about the price prediction, then according to some expert, from 2026 to 2028, between this Siba Dodge can cross $1 according to some expert, but no one can say the exact prediction related to Siba Dodge price prediction. Market rank is 3683. Very soon you can see market rank from 3683 to 3680. So if you want to buy this crypto, you can buy it from Uniswap, V2, XT.com or Hotbit. If you want to create an account in Binance, you can create an account in Binance easily. And I've given the Binance link in my YouTube channel about section. Also the Telegram channel CoinMarketCap link you will get in my YouTube channel about section. So this is a video related to Siba Dodge crypto. And before having an investment in any crypto, do a proper crypto market research. Why? Because crypto market is highly volatile. When crypto will go up and when crypto will go down, no one can say exactly. अगर आपको किसी भी क्रिप्टो में इन्वेस्टमेंट करना है, भले वो Siba Dodge कॉइन हो, Siba Dodge कॉइन हो, Siba Dodge टोकन हो या कोई और क्रिप्टो हो, तो प्रॉपर क्रिप्टो मार्केट रिसर्च करके इन्वेस्ट करना। क्यों? क्योंकि क्रिप्टो मार्केट हाईली वोलेटाइल होता है।